Hi you guys, we're back with another video. This is owner of Egyptian E Collection, and today's video is we're going to order inventory. So I'm already getting started. So I'm gonna order flavoring oils. I'm trying to think of one more flavoring oil. Yes, don't know where we on. We're on Crafter's Choice. They're really good. I bought a foaming whipped butter from them. Foaming soap from them. So just gonna add the cart today. I'm gonna go back out because I don't know. I probably won't need so much oils because I'm not doing. Did they only just get 2? What's my total? Yeah, my total is only 13. We're gonna make 2 of everything because I feel that was my total. My total now is only $26, y'all. I don't even think they made 26. Oh. That means I'm gonna have to buy some more rolling oils because the oil's gonna need to match everything. Yeah, the oils need to go match everything. We're gonna check out because I need them here. We're gonna check out. And this is where I'm gonna have to apologize. Okay, you guys, we're here at Matt Micah. I'm trying to look for a 10. So they don't have it. I just felt like that was the closest to a. I feel like that was closest to one. But this is our Micah. I need these for both my sugar scrub and my body butter. And this is the type of shipping rate they have. We're going to proceed to check out. So I hit my order to pay and it went through. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry this video was done with me holding my other phone and me recording on one hand, but this is just buying inventory with me so you guys can know behind the scenes of how to buy inventory, where to go to buy inventory, and what you need and what you don't need so you won't be overspending. That was the whole in this video. I do know what I need to buy before I drop my collection, so I might do a quick little video on how to do inventory. Like again, I want to say thank you, and if you want to see more videos like this, please comment below for it. Like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna keep dropping videos for y'all. And bye.